Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can import and place buildings into RH Dance Studio. So just search up RH Dance Studio build codes, the latest one though, because sometimes old codes don't work. So make sure you have new codes. You obviously need to be the host. You're going to go to host. You're going to select BTools import. Type in the ID and select import. And hopefully it spawns. You're just going to kind of look around. If you can't see, you're just going to type in fly here. There we go. And as you can see, the map is here. Just type E to go down, and that is how you can place buildings on RH Dance Studio. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!